Be honest. When was the last time you enjoyed pressing 1 for sales, 2 for service, or 3 to speak with a representative? Probably never. In this video, I'll show you why AI receptionists are completely different from those outdated IVR phone menus, and why service businesses everywhere are switching. Stick around until the end, because you'll see a real demo, and I'll show you how you can test it for yourself today. Here's the issue with traditional IVR menus. Customers hate wading through options, calls often get routed incorrectly. And if no one picks up at the end of the menu, the customer simply hangs up and calls your competitor. Studies show that 62% of business calls go unanswered. That's not just a missed call, it's a missed job, a missed customer, and lost revenue. Today's customers expect instant help, not button-pressing frustration. That's why IVR menus are becoming outdated. It's like having a professional receptionist on the line 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. Let me show you what this sounds like in action. Here's a demo of an AI receptionist booking a real appointment.
Hi, I'm Mary, your AI receptionist at Demo Plumber. How can I assist you?
Hi, I have an issue with my pipe, my bathroom pipe. It burst.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Would you like to book an appointment for us to come and fix it?
Yes. How soon can you come out?
Let's see what we can do for you. We have availability on Monday, August 18th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12 p.m. Do any of these times work for you?
Do you have anything on the weekend?
Let me check the weekend availability for you. One moment, please. It looks like we don't have any available slots on the weekends right now. Would you like to go with one of the weekday options, or should I add you to our wait list for a weekend slot?
Monday sounds good. What do you have for Monday afternoon?
On Monday, August 18th, we have availability at 12 p.m. Would that work for you?
12 p.m. Yes, that will work for me.
Great. Before we finalize your appointment, could you please provide your email address so we can send you the confirmation details?
Okay, wait. I want to ask, what do you have for the rest of the week? Do you have anything on, say, Wednesday at 3 p.m.?
Let me check the availability for Wednesday at 3 p.m. for you. One moment, please. We have availability on Wednesday, August 20th at 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. Would you like to book the appointment for 3 p.m.?
Yes, thank you.
Perfect. Could you please provide your email address so we can send you the confirmation details?
Sure, yes. So my email is lindsay@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just to confirm, your email is lin44@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Perfect.
Your appointment is booked for Wednesday, August 20th at 3 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly at your email address. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it.
Thank you for calling Demo Plumber Service. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.
If you want an AI receptionist like this for your business, click the link in the description to schedule a call with us. We'll set it up specifically for your industry, and you can try it free for 15 days, no strings attached, just results. You don't have to just take my word for it. You can test it yourself right now. Call 9786-378-037 and pretend you're booking a plumbing appointment. You can explain your problem, check if they can help, ask for a price estimate, confirm availability, and book an appointment, just like you would with a real receptionist. So, what makes AI receptionists better than IVR menus? Natural conversations, no button pressing. 24/7 coverage, including nights, weekends, and holidays. 80% lower cost than hiring a full-time receptionist. 0 missed calls equals 0 lost jobs. Seamless appointment booking with calendar integration. Consistent professional customer experience every time. While IVR frustrates customers, AI makes them feel taken care of. Ready to leave frustrating IVR menus behind and give your customers a real conversation every time they call? Click the link in the description and start your 15-day free trial of our AI receptionist today.